Hello and welcome to another video walk around. My name is Christian. Today we're going to be looking at a 2019 Toyota Sienna. This is an 8-passenger minivan in gray, driving on 17-inch wheels. Some of the great exterior features on this Sienna includes roof rails, power sliding doors, and a backup camera. Helping us inside is our key fob here. It's got our lock and unlock button. We also have the power sliding door buttons, which we'll get to in just a moment. I'm going to press that unlock button once. Go to the driver's side and take a look in the front first. Right up top, you have your power windows, locks, your power adjustable side mirrors. You have some storage space that runs along the entire side of the bottom and the door. You have a little storage compartment next to the door as well. Now this Sienna comes equipped with all-weather mats, light gray cloth seating, and on the bottom you have your power seating adjustment buttons. We have our key here. We're going to start the Sienna up. If we can find that. There it is. And as always, we're going to take a look at the steering wheel features first. Now, starting on the left side, you have your audio controls. You also have your hands-free calling and your voice recognition system. On the right side, you have this cluster right here. This allows you to cycle through a multi-information display. And here you can also see in the odometer, the Sienna has 44,891 kilometers. Lastly, on the steering wheel, you have your Toyota safety sense with lane departure alert and dynamic radar cruise control. You have your cruise control speed settings right behind the steering wheel there. Moving on to our entertainment display, right now we are on the home screen. Here it'll display any audio that's playing, any device that's connected. You can also look at your trip information by pressing on that screen. And in your trip information screen, you can also look at your history. Now if we go into audio, you have your standard AM and FM options. You can also connect your phone through CD, USB. You can only connect your phone through USB and Bluetooth, and you also have a CD option. Now going into menu here, you have that projection icon there that is for your Apple CarPlay. And if we go into reverse, there's that backup camera for you. Moving down to our climate control system, it is a tri-zone, so you can adjust the temperatures for yourself. Passenger connects, so you can do so as well. And you have this dial here for the rear passengers in the back there. Down below is your driver and passenger heated seats. You also find your USB and auxiliary 12-volt outlet. You can push this button. You have 2 cup holders that come out. Down on the bottom, we have some storage space. Right behind you'll find some more cup holders, and we can press this button for that center console, providing plenty of room. Let's open the back. Like I mentioned, the Sienna does have power sliding doors, so we can press that button on the key fob and that door will open for us. In the back, of course, we are continuing with the light gray cloth seating. Behind the front passenger and driver's seat, you have these little extra storage compartments. These rear seats do fold down as well. You have this little handle here that we can pull upwards. You can slide them forward, giving you access to your third row seating. To access the cargo of this Sienna, there's a button right under that Sienna emblem there. Giving that a press, that lift gate will open nice and easy. You can see even with the third row seating up, you still have plenty of storage space in the back here. You do have this extra seat on the side that does go in the second row right in the center there. The third row seats do fold down as well. There's a little handle. You just give that a pull. They just still right into place, giving you that extra storage space in the back. Taking a last look at our Toyota Sienna, once again, some of those great interior features include your driver and passenger heated seats, 8-passenger capacity with third row seating, and a tri-zone climate control system. There's still a lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this video walk around. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.